What's up, guys? So I want to carry out challenge from $4 to maybe I don't know which amount. So, but in next 24 hours or next 72 hours, I am going to be posting my results, my progress on my Twitter. So this is, as you can see, this is a real account, and I will be carrying out the challenge right moment from now. So this is not just using my strategy, the setting I use in the previous video I dropped. So I'm going to implement that same setting to this, and I will be carrying out this challenge. Let me quickly screenshot this and I post it on my Twitter. So you can go ahead and follow and also be checking my progress there. So I am screenshotting it. Let me edit it. Let me only, I'm going to be showing only my what I earn. So now let's head to my Twitter. This is my Twitter now. Let me post it. So here is it. Phantom challenge from 4.65. So now I really don't know how much I'm going to make in next 24 hours or 72 hours, but I'm going to use implement the strategy I share in my previous video. So you can go ahead and watch it, and I also carry out a live trade on that same video. So now here is this. I'm going to be posting, updating the platform step by step. I'm going to be updating the platform, and let's see. Let's go there. The Phantom challenge from $4.6 to, so let me post. So um this is just it now. This is it. I just posted now. So let head over to my this 6.4. Okay, no qualms. Let me head over to the screener. So the setting is still here like this. I'm going to analyze the markets and see which one I'm going to go. So let's see. This one is showing me good sign. Let me check what is going on in the markets. Oh, in last 5 minutes. Okay, let's see if we can be able to still milk from here. Okay, before I go that, let me quickly check the address. This gonna rock pull, so I'm not interested in this market. This gonna rock pull. So see you, Sha. I'm gonna update